you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
På toppen der, og så
So what's your feeling so far?
So the message is sent that we can move quickly.
Training for us, actually especially from
And then we're moving about 150 of those Marines across the whole.
It's easier to command, at least me as a platoon commander.
All right.
I kind of have to have.
One of the greatest challenges we had was getting about 50,000 soldiers, sailors, airmen, and Marines and their equipment, almost 10,000 vehicles here. So the lift, sea lift and the airlift to do that was enormous. And we effectively moved about 7 brigades worth of personnel and their equipment in about a month. And I think that that's the fastest I've ever seen NATO move, and it sends a very strong message to any potential adversary out there that we can get here and we can get to the fight and we can defend. So I'm really proud of that.
Well, I think it's important for us to in fact have a full exercise to see both the military exercise part, but also because it trains our total defense concept. We are a small country. We are a country which can't duplicate services and things. So we have to depend on civil society to also help us in this. And this really trains both sides for our defense because it's so large. Then of course we also enjoy it when NATO countries come to Norway and try to do warfare in wintertime and the type of nature and country that we are. It sends out the message that NATO is increasing its activity on training, exercises, cooperation between countries, which shows also the strength of NATO. Well, I think it brings this more wintertime feeling of how you do military exercises in that. But also you do it in places where people are living. This is an actual town. It's on where we are now is on the UNESCO heritage list, so you have to be careful of what you're doing here. We have large areas here which is conserved for the future, which is naturally. So we have to make sure that we are doing exercises in real lifetime and in real places.
It's important because we like to be a part of the alliance. We like to be a reliable partner, reliable member of the alliance. To be able to host this exercise gives us 2 opportunities. We could show our friends that we are able to do this exercise, and we can show the Norwegian people that the alliance is able to come to Norway, come to assist us if necessary.